Powder valve bag packaging machine. Powder valve bag packaging machine is used for valve bag packaging of powdery and granular materials with a specific gravity of greater than or equal to 0.2 T m3. It can also ensure high packaging accuracy for granular powders and ultrafine powders with high gas content. Product introduction. This powder valve mouth packaging machine is a high-tech product that exceeds the international average level. It has overcome the packaging problems that have not been solved for many years in the titanium dioxide and other viscous powder industries, replaced imported equipment, and is also suitable for valve bag packaging of other powders with low gas content. The equipment has the advantages of stable performance, high precision, no material drop at the valve mouth, no dust, and full and beautiful packaging bags. Product function. The powder valve bag packaging machine adopts the auger feeding method to solve the packaging and metering problems of powdery materials and valve bag materials. The spiral variable speed feeding is adopted to solve the problem of the constraints of packaging accuracy and packaging speed.